Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on why JASP is the single best tool that medical students, residents or researchers in healthcare can use to analyze their data themselves completely free of cost and with only minimal time needed to devote to learn this. While there are many softwares out there, both free and paid, JASP is incredible for a number of reasons. First of all, JASP is an open source software, which means it's free. You just need a PC, a web browser, and an internet connection, and you're good to go. It's incredibly user-friendly, and the learning curve is not that steep. Basic statistical analyses needed for almost any type of data can be done without any hiccups whatsoever. JASP includes tools to plot data and view results in the form of different types of tables, graphs, and illustrations, all in APA style, so that they can be copy-pasted right into the manuscript without modifying them externally. A feature of adding descriptions or reporting the results right then and there is available, integrated into the software so that you don't need to copy-paste it into Word first and then report. These are just few of the reasons why this is the best tool anybody can use to do statistical analyses by themselves. Analyzing data has never been simpler thanks to JASP, and I'll be showing you how to do exactly that in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.